Let's make us a Honda key. The customer doesn't want the remote. He wants just a standalone key. 2019 Honda Fit. Let's make it. We have already traced the key. We are now going to cut the key. Pretty cool. Let's compare the two. They look pretty close. Flip the key over. Rinse and repeat. All right, let's turn on the ignition.
No, I'm not gonna go anywhere. No, just gonna.
Get the old Honda. Let's do the automatic selection. Let's read. Okay, it just showed the VIN number. Fit. Okay, we're gonna go to hot function. We're gonna add a key. Turn the ignition on. Fourth blade system, yes. And we are going to add a key. Let's go ahead and start it. The ignition is on. And it's going through its fun stuff. Two keys already in the system. Turn the ignition off within 15 seconds. Did that. Turn the ignition on using the registered key. We did that. Turn the ignition off. Insert the new key. Turn the ignition on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off again. Turn it on. Immobilizer lamp go out. Yes, it did. Turn it off again. Turn it on. And we have startage. Just like that, we have a key, 2019 Honda.